Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to receive SMS notifications for friend requests on Facebook right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a bell. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots to access the notification settings. Step 4. Select Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the notification settings, find and click on Friends Requests to open the friend request notification options. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the switch next to SMS to enable SMS notifications for friend requests. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for friend requests on Facebook. Now, you'll never miss a friend request and can connect with new people more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.